Welcome to Wakaby House, where timeless design meets modern wonder. Today, we're revealing a home unlike anything you've ever seen before. A space where Moroccan mystique and British elegance collide in perfect harmony. Imagine a fence that doesn't just mark your property, but tells a story. Wrought iron curls meet handcrafted Moroccan mosaics, all kissed by climbing jasmine. It's privacy with poetry. Step into a front yard that feels like a royal garden from two worlds. British-style borders guide you toward a Moroccan-tiled path, leading to a whispering fountain. This is not just curb appeal. It's an invitation to fantasy. The porch welcomes you with layered rugs, low seating, and soft golden lantern light. It's where Moroccan soul meets English tea. Would you stay here for 5 minutes? Or forever? A carved archway frames your arrival. A classic mirror, a lantern glow, mosaic underfoot. The door opens, and the magic begins. But what lies beyond this entry is more than decor. Not just a passage, but a journey through styles. British wainscoting hugs the walls. Moroccan lanterns hang above. Each step echoes history and heart. plush British sofas, bold Moroccan poufs, a fireplace laced with zellige tiles. This living room doesn't just welcome guests, it wows them. Under a chandelier of dancing shadows, meals become moments. Oak and brass, velvet and clay, where east meets west, on every plate and every wall. Muted cabinets, mosaic backsplashes, spices, marble, and rich wood. A kitchen not just for cooking, but for culture. Would you dare to bake Moroccan tagine here? Or serve British scones? A spa soaked in elegance, a freestanding tub beside glowing lanterns, where bathing becomes ritual, luxury in every drop. Inspiration takes a seat. Between an antique British desk and Moroccan rugs lies creativity. Books, brass, and light, ready for work or wonder. canopy of dreams, velvet pillows, glowing lanterns, deep blue sheets. Would you wake up or never want to? Surprise! The basement is not a storage room. It's a hideaway. Tapestries, cushions, dim light. A space for movie nights or midnight magic. Wood, tiles, linen-draped pergola, where the breeze carries the scent of jasmine, and the fire pit flickers like desert stars. A hidden oasis, surrounded by Moroccan arches and British coastal tones. You dip in, and time disappears. Not just a yard, but a sanctuary. Structured hedges and wild olive trees, stone paths winding to silence. This garden doesn't bloom, it breathes. 16. Courtyard, 4 o'clock. Enclosed serenity. Ceramics, vines, clay pots, and bistro seats. It feels like Europe. It feels like North Africa. But it's right here, in your imagination. And now, for the unexpected twist. What if I told you this isn't a home? It's an art installation, a full-scale architectural exhibit, never lived in, only designed to feel lived in. Design isn't just what you see, it's what you feel. And at Wakaby House, we explore spaces that don't just exist, they tell stories. If this journey inspired you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dreamscapes turned reality. Let us know in the comments, which space would you move into first?